The ears. We need to crochet 2 ears in total. We'll demonstrate 1 ear. Please finish the other one by yourself. Wrap the yarn around your knit finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. Work into a magic ring. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, then work 6 crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first, yarn hook, and pull through the loop on the hook. That's 1 chain stitch. The chain stitch as a beginning is story's height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring, yarn hook, and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. Through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Mark the first stitch of every round. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn hook and pull up loop. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The second single crochet is done. Insert hook into the magic ring, yarn hook, and pull up loop. Then yarn hook and pull through both loops on the hook. The third single crochet is done. There are 3 V shapes, which stand for 3 single crochets. Continue to work 3 more single crochets in the same way. Six V shapes on the side stand for 6 single crochets. The loop on the hook is not counted as 1 stitch. Six single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Finally, work 1 slip stitch in a mark stitch through both loops of the V shape. Remove the marker. Insert hook into the mark stitch. Yarn hook and pull up loop. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the remaining loop on the hook. That's one slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a collection. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If it's too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the fabric will be out of shape. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 3 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch. Next, work 1 increase. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Keep working 2 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The third set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase. Three sets are done. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch. Okay. Round 2 is done.